In this video, I'm just going to show you a little bit of fun time that I had with my children in the forest. I got them outside, even just for a short period. We enjoyed the snow, we enjoyed the nature, and we made some snacks around the fire. The first job is to get the fire going. It can take some effort, but eureka, we finally got a fire going. Come this side. Come sit on Eric's side for us.
It's not. You don't get it too close to
Yeah, you want to get it quite close. Actually, it's following you.
No, it's not.
Go on, get in there. Oh, it's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. It can be so incredibly hard to get out during these cold winter months, but make it enjoyable, make it short, and make it something that is super fun for them and engaging, that they're going to remember. And then as soon as it gets uncomfortable and they say they want to go home, just go home. And it's just going to be a good experience overall. Good buddy.
Good. It's a good day.
It's a good day. This is by far the favourite thing I love to do, is just share my experience with nature with my children, my knowledge with them, teaching them about how to look after themselves in the cold, how to make fires, and just generally having a good time. It's so fulfilling for all of us. Like, I can have my hand, look.
Oh my god.
You can put your hand through flames. It doesn't hurt. It's if you hold it in there. You can feel, like, if I hold my hand close, I can feel where it gets hot, right? It gets more intense when I get to the flames.
That's really cool.
But you can pass your hand through a flame.
That's really insane.
I can feel the flame touch, and I can feel it is warmer. But I'm doing it so fast it doesn't burn. And now it's time for my son to teach me some trending moves that I obviously don't know yet.
Survival? This is what survival is.
I'm not sure this is survival. I think this is like luxury survival.
This is out cold survival pretty much.
Out cold survival. You think Bear Grylls would be impressed with us? Yeah?
Oh, Eric, why are your parts yellow?
Surviving with our homemade hot chocolate
Look.
and our bought firewood.
Why do we buy firewood? Oh, because it's snowing.
Because it's wet. We can't burn.
Oh, this. Oh my god, it just... That was demolished! Huh? I'm gonna eat that quick. Wait, Mama, why don't we just try to leave now? Because it's getting pretty cold.
Yeah.